Wait, what number we up to?
I'm opening the third and last bottle of champagne.
Hey.
So I just want the masses to know, with my one eyelash and my one eyeshadowed eye, that when I pulled up with 3 bottles of champagne and 1 bottle of orange juice, Tony was doubting me.
I mean, I'm drinking it though.
So
broken nail and all.
No. We're on bottle number 3, and this is how much orange juice we needed. So obviously, YouTube audiences, Instagram, Twitter, whoever watched this, I knew what the fuck I was doing. Period, Paul.
What's good, everybody? So we are back with another makeup demo. So we're just gonna get right up into it. We're gonna prep the skin using Maybelline Lasting Fix, if I'm not mistaken, 16-hour spray, which is my favorite. It's my go-to setting spray. And we're also going to base her skin with the Maybelline Master Prime and Hydrate+Smooth. Next, we're gonna go in with the Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in Black Brown. And we're just gonna give Perla a little bit more shape to her eyebrows. Then you're gonna take a clean, flat angle brush, and we're gonna take a little bit of the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC50 just to give her a nice defined brow. We want this brow to remain strong because we are doing a more intense colored eye. Next, we're gonna take a flat concealer brush and we're going to blend out that concealer underneath our brow. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of MAC Laying Low Pro Longwear Paint Pot to base our eyelids so that we get a nice, intense, vibrant shadow. First of all, I broke my palette and I know you see it and it hurts, but the show must go on. We're gonna go into the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette, and we're gonna do a combination of Zobo and Bori to give us the perfect blend in our crease. Now, just like my last video, just like all of my other cut creases, what I like to tell you guys, make sure you pack on your colors first and create the shape you want, and then you're gonna go in and soften those lines out. So pack, 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 blend, blend, blend. That's gonna be the formula right here to get the most flawless crease you will ever have in your life. So I wasn't really getting the level of intensity that I wanted for the crease. So I did have to go in with the Sweet Sensations palette and use the color Slade. Like, I know you see it. Like, do I even gotta say anything? Y'all already know what time it is. One thing I'm gonna give y'all is a crease. The rest is self-explanatory. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy that. Listen, I know you see it. It's the symmetry for me, okay? So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with that color Kill, and we're going to pack that directly on our eyelid. Don't worry about losing any definition between our crease and our lid. We're gonna go back in with our MAC 217 brush, and we're just going to take a small amount of that deep magenta and continue buffing out those lines. All right, so we are gonna get a little bit messy right now. I'm going to take the Sugar Bee Cosmetics Purple Tears and Mellow Liquid Liners, and I'm going to create a custom magenta color that would fit Perla's skin tone perfectly. And look at her, she could not stop taking selfies from that other eye, okay? Because it was that popping in real life. So I'm gonna go in with my Suva Beauty I want to say the 630 brush, and I'm going to take that custom eyeliner mix, and we're just going to outline our lid and our crease with that same color, as well as give her a small cat eye on her top lash line. Before we move on to eyelashes, I just want to take a small amount of black liquid liner, as well as give her eye a little bit more of a pop, just open up her lids a little bit more with a little touch of the pink and champagne color from our Sis You're Glowing palette. I know you see it. Look at this packaging. We are going in with the Starstruck Lash from my girl Bevy Lynn, the CEO of Lynn, New York. Check her out on Instagram. Make sure you hit her up. She has a whole bunch of different eyelashes, and she is also a traveling nail tech. So ladies and gents, if you are trying to get your nails did, definitely hit my girl up. All links to all of the brands used are going to be in the description box below, so you guys can check them out. Y'all already know what time it is. We are moving on to the best part, which is the skin. I just want to say, Loreal, I would love some PR, okay? PR time me immediately, because this foundation is the truth. You guys just saw me take a little bit of that Infallible shaping stick, and I just added that outside of Perla's face. So like where we would typically contour, or where we would typically bronze, that's where I added that foundation. And then I just took concealer. Watch how beautifully this blends into Perla's skin. And keep in mind, she has combination dry. I have never seen a combination melt into the skin so smoothly until I did this combination on Perla. Loreal, come on now. Come on, I need every single color of the shaping stick immediately. Like I always say, if you don't set it, you will regret it. I'm going in with the Black Radiance Beauty Banana Powder, and we're just going to lightly set those areas where we applied our concealer. This is my favorite step when working with my deeper complexion clients. I love to restore color back into the skin using the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in dark. And on Perla, because I want to also give her a light bronzing effect, after we set the highlighted areas with dark, I'm going to go in with dark deep, just to give her a natural bronze on the outside of her skin, which I think you guys are going to see next. I know I went a little bit fast. Still using that dark deep, I'm going to give her a light nose contour using a small blending brush. Guys, I don't think y'all understand how poppin' Perla's skin looked. Look at how this blush lays on her skin. And that's another mineralized product just to give her a nice, smooth glow. Oh, I'm obsessed. Perla's skin, girl, I want it on my face. Thumbs up if you're digging the monochromatic vibes, because we are going to go right on in with the MAC Cosmetics Nightmoth lip liner, as well as the Sugar Bee Cosmetics Hustle with a $sign, okay? Because we talking about that cash moolah. Hustle liquid lipstick. We're going to blend out that Nightmoth pencil on top of Perla's oiled and hydrated lips. I'm then going to take a small lip brush, and we're going to blend that lip liner out before we apply the liquid lipstick to get a smooth ombre effect. And with that same lip brush, we're going to apply a little bit of Hustle at a time. We're going to try to focus that lip product directly in the middle because we want that part to be the brightest. And then we're going to let the corners naturally get that color. So when she mushes her lips together, it'll be a soft touch so that we don't lose all that blending work we did with the lip pencil. And then we're going to tie everything together, of course, with the most beautiful glow palette you have ever seen in your life, the Sugar Bee Cosmetics Your Glowing Sis palette, down the bridge of her nose and on the sides of her beautiful cheeks and all that goodness. Finish her off with a nice spritz of that Maybelline Lasting Fix finishing spray. And there you guys have it. Once again, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means so much to see you guys supporting my work and supporting all the content that I'm dropping. Also, shout outs to everybody that's been using my promo codes for the brands that I work with. It means so much to me to see you guys not only support me, but supporting these women that I support. So thank you guys so much. Be sure to follow me on all social media outlets, Tony Roy MUA, as well as Hoodicorn. That's how you know it's me. No fake accounts. Haha. Maybe I'm not that famous yet, but I will be. And also make sure you guys show love to Perla, my beautiful model, the best bartender in the city, okay? And also make sure you guys continue to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of this free game. Be sure to comment what you guys want to see next. And that's all I got for y'all. So stay safe, stay tuned, and take care, y'all. Bye.